next bit here, right? So I got my distance. If I really do it like that one, here I am. Boom. I've opened. Now, I'm going to open crossing my lines right out over his button. And now I have two lines coming across from my outside, crossing his center and his and going against his outer lines. So I'm going to create intersections, right? Right. And as I do the same up here, I'm here. Now this is my space, right? Now I've divided myself also into quadrants, right? Off of this elbow, I have this is the center, and I have this quadrant, 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 right, on both sides. And I have an intersection of my own here, right, or here, right? And I'm also, if I'm working against dummy, what this lets me see is where his lines are in relation to me. Boom, boom. Okay, so I've covered this, I've covered this. Now this isn't necessarily the technique, it's just, I'm just establishing lines and establishing quadrants, but there is technique in this. There are principles happening here. These lines move across his lines. At some point, they move alongside and then cross them. I'm moving alongside this one, and I'm crossing this one. Boom, right? Boom. And if I'm aiming straight at the center, boom, I'm right into the center. I'm slipping inside of his lines, which will get us to our next point.